In this project introduction video, we're going to talk about a new series that we're starting, the Serverless YouTube Planner series. I'm Thomas with Brain Trust Digital. I'm a full-stack developer obsessed with learning. If you're interested in learning about full-stack web development, please consider subscribing below. The Serverless YouTube Planner project will be written in Ruby code, but as the beginning part of that name implies, it's going to be serverless. The term serverless can be a bit misleading. It's a different type of architecture. There are still servers underneath, we just don't have to worry about managing them. We're going to be using various serverless products. For example, Lambda. Lambda is Amazon's function as a service product. The basic concept here is that you write code in a function. You don't worry about setting up any servers and instead just pay for the execution time of your function. Serverless technologies are disruptively cheap as you only pay for this minute amount of execution time. I don't have any experience with serverless technologies, so I'm going to be learning on the fly here. So what will the tool do? Well, whenever creating a YouTube video, like this video here, I write a script in a digital notebook. But I figured there's got to be a better way, so why not build one? It's going to be an easy way for content creators to store their ideas for YouTube videos. We'll track things like their script, their title, keywords, places they want to timestamp, and other videos they'd like to reference. I even thought it might be cool if we tried to integrate the YouTube API. I'm still ironing out the feature set, so if you have any requests, put them in the comment section below. The last thing I wanted to mention is that this is my first serverless application. So if you're looking for tutorials from an expert in the field, that's not me. I'm going to be learning on the fly, and I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. So if you're interested in just seeing how I solve the problems or how I troubleshoot or how I recover from my mistakes, then stick around because I think it'll be a really fun project.